What's up, guys? Mr. Hat Not checking in with you. Hope all is well and you're wrenching on your projects. This video will be a review or unboxing of the 55 to 59 Chevrolet truck. That's the 3100 and the Apache trucks, LS swap radiator. What I did was, since I have a 55 and a 58, what I did is I ordered a Chinese knockoff on eBay for $100 less, and I ordered a Champion, which they pushed back the delivery date. It was for the 20th, but it pushed it back to February the 6th. So hopefully it won't push it back any further, so I can compare. The Champion will go in my 58, and then the 55, which I'm going to fix and sell, it'll be just strictly Pantina. I use a Chinese knockoff, and also I use a knockoff wiring harness that was only $100 from a guy that he sells on eBay, and it shipped the next day because it was coming from Richardson, Texas, at the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I'm not that far from there, so that's why I came quick. So let's see what we have here. A FedEx dropped this off. What I noticed was this: the petcock was, I guess it went through, but it seemed like it's gonna be okay. Just have to find out. It says cooling radiator specialist. It's probably a generic stamp on there. It was shipped from California. So let's see what we have here. All right. Pull this bad boy out. So, if you know anything about LS swaps, this will be your steam line right here. They should provided this. The Champion did not provide this. I called Jegs, because I ordered from Jegs, and they told me that it's just a plug. So I had to go on Amazon and get one of these for the Champion when it comes in. No big deal. You have your for your transmission lines, but that's perfect. And let's see what else. Oh, that's just this piece right here is just to block off any kind of dirt, debris. That's pretty cool. Let's take it off. Let's see. Yep. That's pretty cool. So, 19-pound pressure on that. I think it'll be all right. Look at these welds. I'll put the link in the description. So if you want to purchase this, I'll send you also the Champion link as well. All right, God bless, take care, stay woke, stay motivated, and help someone along the way in this journey we call life. Hat Not Sons, we get the job done. Hat Not signing off from Northeast Texas. Have a blessed day.